thrive. Cacti thrive in dry, sunny climates. Our small business is thriving this year. The garden has thrived since we added compost. The startup has been thriving for 6 months now. The colony thrived for centuries before the drought. The market town was thriving when the railway arrived. The village had thrived long before the factory closed. The coral reef had been thriving for ages before the pollution came. These plants will thrive in the new greenhouse. By next year, the shop will be thriving downtown. By 2030, the company will have thrived for 2 decades. By summer, the orchard will have been thriving for 10 seasons.